Hi guys, my name is Ben Ostrovsky.
I'm Benjamin Telenor.
I'm Leo Minlin.
I'm Justin Chu.
Together, we came to create a social media inspired web app that would bring neighborhoods together through two different types of posts: events and incidents. Events let neighbors know what's going on around them, such as volunteer day, yard sales, game night, outdoor movie night, so on and so forth. Incidents are natural disasters, crime, anything that lets neighbors know what's going on around their neighborhood and how to stay safe. Our app lets you post things as soon as you log in. You can create an account or log in if you have an account already. We use regex to make sure your email is correct, and we recommend strong passwords using um, password recommendations. To create a post, you simply, yeah, you can edit your post or layout if you want to.
Yeah, so here's the post. We already have a post from a little demo before, but I'll delete this post just to show that. And then Ben can walk you through a new post.
Right. So first we're going to want to put our title. We'll just say hello demo for the purposes of this video. Again, we'll say hello testing for the description. For the date, there's a calendar which allows you to select the date using a calendar. Same thing for time. For address, we use a Mapbox's autocomplete feature to make sure we have smart map locations. As soon as you type in password, it comes up. We can press anything here, submit it.
So
Yeah,
let's make this an incident. And
exactly.
here we go. Here's our
Here we
new.
go. This is replicated across all states of this app across, yeah, it's live. Justin will take it away with the map view. Additionally, we have dark mode. I don't know if we should turn it on for the purposes of this demo. Awesome.
All right, so we also feature a map, and this is a great way to visualize all the different places where your incidents and events are happening. As you can see, we have pins on each location that we have events on. So for instance, right here, we had our incident that we just created in our demo, and that was at 925 California Avenue, and it shows up directly on 925 California Avenue. We can also have, if you go to some other pins, we can also have images in our descriptions. And this is really a great way to visualize where things are individually and especially in relation to each other. And you notice that it does integrate with dark mode as well. And this is using Mapbox.
All right, Ben. Do you want to talk a little bit about Firebase here?
Yeah, so we use Firebase as a backend in order to store all the data. So, Leo, if you could take us Firestore database right now. So this basically is the given information. Like if you make a feed, all of it's going to be taken into the right, where it's going to have the address, with latitude, longitude, the author, and all of the actual information that we need so that we could emulate it. Inside of Firebase, we store both feed information and information on the users themselves. So it's a handy way to store everything. So yeah. Now Leo is gonna start walking you through the code.
Yeah, so I'm just going to go over it super quick. We built a Next.js v12 app using React and TypeScript. We're using a component library called Next.js, which helps with a lot of the components that you see. We're using Next SWR, which is a function to fetch our data from Firebase and store it locally so we can have a performant cache. And we're using incremental static regeneration for server-side rendering so we can render this on the server and then send it to the user. But yeah, that's about it. So thank you guys for watching our presentation.
Leo, if
And
you want to walk through a few of the feeds, I think we're supposed to, a few of the,
oh, okay, here's some, this is some of the UI code here for the feed.
yeah.
The code for the card here. Yeah. Anything else, guys?